Nikita Hand has said she can finally move on after the Court of Appeal rejected an appeal. It's in its entirety by former MMA fighter Conor McGregor against a civil jury's finding that he raped her. The court also rejected an appeal by his friend James Lawrence against a refusal to grant him his costs. The court awarded Miss Hand costs at the highest possible level in relation to Mr McGregor's abandoned application to bring in new evidence, saying it had to mark its disapproval of his conduct.
The Court of Appeal found Nikita Hand had prevailed in one of the most hard-fought trials of recent years. But it said Conor McGregor had subjected the jury's belief that he raped Ms Hand to a root and branch attack by his application to bring in new evidence in this appeal. Samantha O'Reilly and Stephen Cummins claimed they were former neighbours of Ms Hand and suggested her then boyfriend had assaulted her after she had been out with Mr McGregor in December 2018. Ms Hand said their statements were lies. The court said Mr McGregor's abandonment of this evidence with no plausible reason could only be seen as an acknowledgement that she was correct. It awarded Ms Hand her costs at the highest possible level to mark its disapproval of Mr McGregor's conduct on this issue. The court ruled against Mr McGregor on all his other grounds. In particular, it found the jurors were not confused and could have been in no doubt that the assault they had to decide on was rape. And it found the judge gave the jury sufficient warnings about Mr McGregor's no-comment answers in Garda interviews. The court also rejected an appeal by James Lawrence that he should get his costs because the jury found he didn't rape Ms Hand. It ruled parts of his evidence were untruthful and his costs were being paid by his friend, Mr McGregor. Outside, Ms Hand thanked those who had helped her.
Those who believed in me and stood by my side throughout this long and painful journey. This appeal has re-traumatised me over and over again. Being forced to relive it, what happened has had a huge impact on me. To every survivor out there, I know how hard it is, but please don't be silent. You deserve to be heard. You also deserve justice. Today I can finally move on and try to heal. Thank you.
Any further appeal by Mr McGregor would have to get permission from the Supreme Court on the grounds of the interests of justice or on a point of law of general public importance. Orla O'Donnell, RTE News, the Court of Appeal.